Here we go.
Enjoying 3 cameras.
Yep.
Look at the quality. Let's see. Can you see how dirty my floor is? Let me get a close up of your face. Let me see your nose hairs. So what's your problem?
I have the tire stop set yesterday trying to put this new tire on. It still popped over the lip. So we hit 5 o'clock yesterday, so.
It popped over the lip with this fancy tire machine.
The thing was set. So what I did was I'm gonna try and.
Did you lubricate it?
Yep.
You lubricate it. Let's see. Yeah, something's not Gucci there.
I don't want to rip this one. So.
I've watched Caleb put a tire on with his bare hands. You can't use a machine?
Yeah, I'm trying. I got the other 3 on perfectly fine. This one just didn't want to work. Try and take the tire off and just redo it.
Hold on, now watch what Caleb's gonna do. You ain't getting that. You ain't got enough ass for that. Lift the tire back up with the arm. Get the tire back off. Without breaking the machine.
Yeah, I know. That's what I was thinking.
I personally would have just took it closer to the edge instead of trying to do that. Yeah. I would have went like right here first. How did you manage to do 3 tires with no issues?
I don't fucking know. It's probably because I have a lack of friends. So
Maybe it's a defect tire? Nope. Nope, you gotta come closer to here.
Because the other 3 went on fine. And then this one was just like, no. There we go. Want me to apply pressure up?
Let's go. There you go. So now I'm gonna tell you, if you super soapy shit this shit out of that thing's gonna pop on like a greasy condom. Maybe you have the tire on backwards.
No.
Upside down?
How? If I could do that.
Flip the tire over. Grease the fuck out of it. Lube the shiz out of it.
What? No.
Don't even put it down yet.
I do that and then spread. So I got everything. Fumble.
All right. Everyone wants to see you do this. You think is your soapy water soapy enough?
One out there.
Angel, bring those knuckles over here. Bring that knuckle over here.
You got plenty of storage this time.
Oh yeah, we can go all day long.
For what?
Did you knock the ring out like I asked you to? Flip it over. Get that metal ring out. Destroy it and throw it in the trash.
I know.
Yeah. Get them both out. So Jude went to a gunfight without his condom. Like you're putting tires on, right? You should be lubricating.
Yeah, I do. I did.
Does that even feel? That doesn't feel like anything. It feels. It's very minimum lube. You could have straight wheel bearing greased that. I mean, soak the rim, soak the bead, soak everything. I want to see that thing dripping. All right, the world's longest tire install.
Alright. Yeah, it does.
I know what the problem is. It's so cold that the tire shrunk.
Is that actually a thing?
Fucking tires shrink. Tires expand.
That's true.
That's why I like to leave them sitting in the sun when I install them.
I always put the time on it on the other side.
But you're wrong. You said what you're wrong. And Caleb only breaks them every once in a while. These guys must have been out drinking last night.
No. Yeah. We went to look at 2 trucks, that's it.
Really?
Yeah.
You guys didn't make the deal with the other truck?
Well,
Your dad's.
No, you want to drop down.
Oh. I got that Dodge out there.
no, not okay.
Are you buying Grandpa's truck or not? If not, I'll buy it.
It'll go. I'm just gonna break the tire monitor
Well, then the tire monitor should have been in the right position. Make it go now. Go. Are you further along than he was?
Yeah.
Now super lube the other side. Lubrication is your friend. You can't go. That doesn't work. It does work. All right, your tire installation plus the time you were fucking around with it's probably about 12 minutes just to get the tire on. That doesn't include getting it off.
There you go.
Legit, this is 7 minutes of fucking around.
Dude has a hard time getting it off.
Suck like that.
Do they call this tire compilations? Is that what they call that?
No.
Come on, Mr. Tech. Lube. Say it. Lube is your friend. Lube is your friend.
It's like the lowest
Thanks for watching. Enjoy the quality videos I will be producing from now on. Like HD, right?